Sagutan natin tong problems. Evaluate the following limits. So let's start with 1. Limit of 4x minus 3 over 2x plus 5 as x approaches positive infinity. So meron tayong limits at infinity. Ibig sabihin, yung ina-approach na value ng x is pwedeng positive infinity or pwede ring negative infinity. So, ang mahalagang theorem na gagamitin natin dito is limit ng 1 over x raised to r as x approaches positive infinity is equal to 0 and limit ng 1 over x raised to r as x approaches negative infinity is equal to 0 then for any positive integer r. For the first problem, notice na kapag yinirect-sub nyo yung infinity dito, positive infinity sa mga x, ibig sabihin mag-a-assign kayo ng napakalaking value dito sa x, so magiging 4 times napakalaking value minus 3, edi napakalaking value pa rin, over 2 times x na napakalaking value plus 5, over napakalaking value or infinity. So this will actually become infinity over infinity, which is an indeterminate form yan sa calculus. So hindi natin pwedeng tanggapin as the final answer. So i-manipulate natin. So kopyahin natin yung original limit and then magdi-divide tayo both numerator and denominator by the highest power of x in the denominator. Or pwede tayong mag-multiply ng 1 over the highest power of x, both numerator and denominator. So sa denominator, ang highest power ng x is first degree, right? So x. So therefore, mag-multiply ako both numerator and denominator by 1 over x. And then, i-distribute natin both numerator and denominator. So, mangyayari, magiging limit ng 4x times 1 over x, so makakancel si x4 na lang, minus 3 times 1 over x, so 3 over x, over, so sa baba, distribute si 1 over x, 2x times 1 over x, makakancel si x, 2 na lang, then 5 times 1 over x, positive 5 over x, then copy nyo lang yung x approaching positive infinity. Ngayon, pwede nyo i-distribute yung limit as x approaches positive infinity sa bawat term sa numerator sa denominator. Sa pag hinanap nyo yung limit ng constant 4, 4 din yan, right? Minus limit ng 3 over x as x approaches positive infinity. Yan, pwede nyo nang magamit tong theorem na to. So, lahat ng may mga power ng x sa denominator, as x approaches infinity, magzi-zero yung limit. Okay? Over, yung 2 constant, so limit niyan is 2 pa rin, plus, okay, yung 5 over x may power of x sa denominator, so magzi-zero yung limit niyan as x approaches positive infinity. So, 0. And then simplifying this, we will have 4 minus 0 or 4 over 2 plus 0, 2. So, 4 divided by 2, 2. So, this is the value of the limit, positive 2. For number 2, limit ng 2x squared minus x plus 5 over 4x cubed minus 1 as x approaches negative infinity. Okay? So, i-multiply natin both numerator and denominator by what? So, 1 over the highest power of x in the denominator, which is x cubed, right? Okay. So, distribute. So, magiging limit ng, so yung 2x squared, makakancel nyo yung x squared, may matitira ka pang x sa denominator, minus x times 1 over x cubed, makakancel si x, may matitira ka pang 1 over x squared, plus 5 times 1 over x cubed, 5 over x cubed. Over, so sa baba, distribute yung 1 over x cubed. So makakancel na si x cubed sa 4, right? 4 na lang. Then 1 times 1 over x cubed minus 1 over x cubed as x approaches negative infinity. Ngayon, nasa shortcut, lahat ng may mga power ng x sa denominator masi-zero. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Yung constant matitira. So we have 0 minus 0 plus 0 over 4 minus 0, 0 over 4 or 0. So the limit is 0. 3. Limit ng 6 minus t cube over 7t cube plus 3 as t approaches positive infinity. Okay, so copy muna natin. Limit ng 6 minus t cube over 7t cube plus 3 as t approaches positive infinity. Then multiply natin both numerator and denominator by 1 over the highest power of x in the denominator, t cube. Okay? So magiging distribute sa numerator 6 over t cube, Then minus 1 na lang, cancel yung t cube. Sa denominator, distribute 7t cube times 1 over t cube, cancel, 7 na lang, plus 3 over t cube as t approaches positive infinity. So applying this theorem, lahat ng may mga power ng t sa denominator, makakancel, magiging 0 yung limit. So ito 0 din, yung mga constant matitira. So negative 1 over 7 or negative 1/7. For number 4, limit ng 7 minus 6x to the 5th over x plus 3 as x approaches positive infinity. So kopya muna. Then multiply natin by 1 over the highest power of x in the denominator, which is x. So magiging limit ng distribute 7 over x minus 6x to the 4th. Makakancel si x over distribute yung 1 over x. X times 1 over x, so cancelled, magiging 1 na lang, plus 3 over x as x approaches positive infinity. So lahat ng may mga power ng x sa denominator, mazi-0. So matitira is 0 minus 6x to the 4th over 1 plus 0 or negative 6x to the 4th. Okay? Pwede ngayon kayong mag-assign ng value ng x dito na approaching positive infinity, napakalaki. So ibig sabihin, napakalaking value raised to the 4th is infinity pa rin, positive infinity, pero mamultiply mo siya sa negative 6. So positive infinity times negative, magiging negative infinity yung limit. Number 5, limit ng square root nung 5x squared minus 2 over x plus 3 as x approaches negative infinity. So kopya muna. So multiply natin both numerator and denominator by 1 over the highest power ng x in the denominator, which is x. Okay, so bale magiging limit ng square root ng 5x squared minus 2 over x all over, distribute yung 1 over x, magiging 1 plus 3 over x as x approaches negative infinity. So kailangan nating mapasok itong x sa loob ng square root para ma-simplify. So pwede nating i-apply yung definition na square root of x squared is equal to x if x is greater than 0, and square root of x squared is negative x if x is less than 0. So, dahil yung x natin is approaching negative infinity, therefore, dito tayo sa interval na to. Bale, itong square root of x squared should be equal to negative x. So, gusto nating ma-convert si x in terms of square root of x squared. So, divide lang natin both sides of the equation by negative 1. Bale, negative square root of x squared is equal to x. Okay? Then, ipalit natin dito. So, magiging limit ng square root of 5x squared minus 2 over, etong x gagawin yung negative square root ng x squared all over 1 plus 3 over x as x approaches negative infinity. So, makakapasok na yung x squared sa radical. So, magiging limit ng square root of, so itong negative, gigilid natin outside sa radical, 5x squared minus 2 over x squared over 1 plus 3 over x as x approaches negative infinity. Tapos distribute natin yung x squared sa loob ng radical. So, magiging limit ng negative square root of 5x squared over x squared 5 minus 2 over x squared all over 1 plus 3 over x as x approaches negative infinity. So, pag sinubstitute natin, magiging negative square root ng, so lahat nung may mga power ng x sa denominator, mazi-0. So, 5 minus 0 over 1 plus 0. Okay? So, mangyayari will be, tuloy natin dito, wala nang space, negative square root ng 5 na lang over 1 or negative square root ng 5. So, therefore, the limit is negative square root of 5. Okay, kayo naman. Try to evaluate the following limits and just comment your answers.